And they know why we are here in front of you. Because we wanted to share how beautiful it is to have Jesus in life.
Amen.
The point is sometimes it's a burden to us to share about our faith because we don't experience Jesus, we don't experience God in our life. If naibag ko makanalan diri sa iligan, mag-open, then mo ato mo makatilaw mo niya, dami kayo, what do you think? Isulti ba ninyo siya mga friends? Di ba? Ang trabaho pag umagalan kay nayo pagkaon dami kayo. Ang trabaho so ato na ipagtabi sa itong friends, sa itong family, sa itong uyab, o kinsa na namukawat na kung kay gusto na ito, makilawan nila usa kalami, anak na pagkaon. And we are here. Dili mo makapugong. And gusto ko na kusulti sa inyo how beautiful it is to have Jesus and to have God in our life. Dili mapugan ang kanindot. And sometimes it's a burden, mag-share sa itong faith. The reality is, wala na itong experience kung sa kanindot as a Christian. Actually, grabe kanindot.